So I want to review two different utility floor fans for you. And these are some of the more powerful ones. I've reviewed a lot of different fans. I reviewed a lot of fans. These are two that are quite powerful, but I want to show you the difference between these two. The blue one obviously is bigger and it is more powerful. You see here, it's by this company called Vivor. This one, the green one, is X-Power. One of the things that's pretty cool about both of these is they both do come with a timer. So you can set up to a 3-hour timer on either one of them if you want to run it for a little while and then have it turned off. They also come with 3 speeds. The green X-Power one does come with 2 outlet plugs here, where the blue one does not come with outlet plugs. Now they're made to be used in different positions. You can rotate them back if you want to. So you see, I can rotate it back at that angle. I can go straight vertical with it. I've got this little leg I can fold down if I want to go just a little bit elevated. Vivor as well is made where I can tilt it back. The rating that's used a lot of times, the measurement as far as how much wind they move, how much air they're moving, is the unit of measurement, CFM, talking about the volume of air. Okay, so for the green X-Power, it's 925 CFM on high power. For the blue one, it's 2600. So you can think how hard it's blowing, but look at the just size of the vent here where the air's coming out, significantly bigger. So that also plays a significant factor in it. So let's turn them on. We're gonna go high power. We're gonna go high power. You can hear the noise level on the X-Power. Go down to 2, go down to 1. Definitely moving some air, but again, a little more compacted area here than the larger area on the Vivor. So let's turn it on high. And again, now you got this big area of blows up, you know, just feeling it. It feels like it's blowing about the same amount of power, but just a larger area. These both get good reviews, 2 powerful utility fans, obviously one more powerful than others, but thought it'd be helpful to see them side by side, even seeing the size difference. So I hope this video is helpful for you comparing these 2 popular fans.